We're saying from 12 yards out. We're saying saved by Holland. What a save that was. Now a chance for Meiphung to go ahead in the shootouts here. Nimrio will be the first player to take for Meiphung. Nimrio, saved by Valijan. One save a pitch from the first two kicks, and the match remains even. The shootout remains even here. Chanso stepping forward now for haokhok. Chanso from 12 yards out. And Chanso makes no mistake. Pollard gets the right way, but Chanso's powerful low shot finds the back of the net. And haokhok now are on the way. They have a goal in the shutouts now, leading by one goal. One spot kick to nil. Machinmi Kishung, the youngster of Meiphung, who came on at extra time on this spot kick to make it 1-1 for Meiphung. Machinmi, lovely from the youngster, sent for it on the wrong way and has equalized now for Meiphung. Now McCrory is the player making the lonely and the nervy walk up to the spot. The number 18 of haokhok with a chance now to recover the lead for haokhok. McCrory with a step over. Ball kick in the end from McCrory. Maybe the nerves got to him there. And now, yet another chance for Meiphung to get in on the lead. With a chance now to give Meiphung the lead. Bless makes no mistake from the spot, and Meiphung have the lead now. Meiphung up 2-1 here. Ungramchan now making the run up front for haokhok. Ungramchan is so clinical from the spot, hardly misses. He always goes right, he always goes low. We'll see if Holland can save this spot kick from Ungramchan. You don't expect Ungramchan to miss from this kind of position. So experienced, so cool. Ungramchan stuttering. Ungramchan went straight down the middle this time. And it is now 2-2. Chemtree with a chance now on the fourth kick for Meiphung to put Meiphung 3-2 up. Chemtree Gentry set for a chance the wrong way, and Meiphung have the lead again. 3-2 to Meiphung. And now if Holland saves from the spot, if Holland saves from Kangam, Meiphung will be the new champions of WFL Cup. So much pressure now on the shoulder of Kangam. Kangam misses. It is saved by Holland, and Meiphung FC are champions, new champions of the WFL Cup. They did not win the title, and last time around, last season, they were unable to win the WFL Cup. They lost out to haokhok. However, they have changed the history this time around, and they have scripted history as they usurp the defending cup champions haokhok to win the WFL Cup. What a wonderful performance by Holland, who kept Meiphung in the game, denying Yami very late into extra time, and now he is the hero as he saved 2 spot kicks from haokhok.
They have successfully defended their title. Season 1 lila ashina kyune, season 2 lila ashina yuli shudhaire. Amayung ji shirelo.